Oh no!
Rubs the entire time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that makes a difference, I guess.
Thank you, baby. Okay.
I'm learning the car, so I couldn't help myself.
This is why we get a 4-wheel drive truck.
Some redneck tomfoolery. What do you think, Willie?
Pancake time. Pancake.
Alright, see, we're back at the shop. We left the FAB shop. We didn't get a chance to really film and talk about it. Unwrap this car. I think this is the shiniest, coolest part, actually. Up with exhaust fumes, that's the only shit. Trying to pass tech real quick. Alright, this is my first YouTube video, actually in a really long time, and I'm debuting it with this car, which is my C-Time car. We're at Evergreen Drift, where I got my FD license. And we're at an open day, there's like 65 people here. I've never driven this car ever. It's a super simple car. It's got a VQ in it. It's super light, so it should be pretty fast. It's going to be so good on tire wear. I did not wire this car. The owner before me wired it, and wires get hot and fuses melt. They don't pop, so this thing could catch on fire today.
Hopefully not.
Get this. In one lap, we're going to test AFRs, angle kit, oil pressure, coolant pressure, radiator fans, alignment, if the tires rub, like,
everything.
Like, everything. Alright, ready?
Let's see it. Felt good.
This is like a cut knuckle setup, and it's way different than my FDF. The car just falls the angle. The gearing is super short because it's got a 350Z transmission and then a stock 408 diff. So like all the normal second gear stuff I think is going to be in third. My other car, you can kind of just throw it and it will go to angle. This car, you just let go and it will snap hard.
Yeah, your other car is full FDF though, yeah?
Cut knuckle setup, so
Yeah,
kind of like V knuckle.
That makes a difference, I guess.
Looks a little bit flat. car, so I couldn't help myself. So this car gets kind of hot. I can only do like one lap before it gets hot. It's super snappy. I don't really like it just because I'm so used to like FDF and FAB style angle kits. Like this car doesn't have that much angle, but like when it's like the last 10% of angle, it feels like it does nothing. Like, and so it's interesting there. I'm smelling clutch already. So it probably has a basic clutch in it. I have way too grippy tires. The rears are at like 60 psi and it's drying up, so it's getting kind of sketchy. Just some fine tweaks. I need better cooling. There's no thermostat. It's got crappy fans on it, and it's also a crappy radiator. So there's 3 things I can improve on. It kind of sucks I have to learn the car before I can tandem. Like all I care about is tandeming, but I just don't trust anything. It could just turn off and I can crash a bunch of people, which does not sound fun. All right, my goal is to not spin out. Sucks. That last clutch kick, it was bogging, and I clutch kicked and it was at 9 AFR. I'm figuring it out. Once I get to that dead zone, I just have to wait, which is okay.
Robin?
No, but look, I lost a genuine Type X corner.
Oh no! Yeah, let's let's go find that.
The wires just aren't thick enough. We just like connected everything spidered in. This box used to be right here.
Yeah.
But it reached inside, so I put it inside. The reservoir used to be over there. Moved it over here so the power steering can be gravity fed instead of like coming across. It's like decently quick because it's so light.
Yeah, I mean, this is like what everyone needs for a perfect little angle car.
My car before this was a G35. It's like the exact same thing, but the G was like 1,200 pounds heavier.
Oh yeah. A good Samaritan.
My first tandem flew off, I guess.
Thank
you, baby.
Okay.
No SR though.
So we lied. We're doing one more lap.
Today we're done. It was a successful day, and then the next clip is going to be me picking up my pro car in Everett, so stick around for that. All right, we're going to breakfast and we're going to go pick up the drift car today.
Pancake time. Pancake.
Picking up the trailer after breakfast.
This is why we get a 4-wheel drive truck.
Some redneck tomfoolery. What do you think, Willie? Bummer.
Bummer?
Stuck. Got mud on my tires.
Whoop whoop.
We're back at the shop. We left the fab shop. We didn't get a chance to really film and talk about it. That's what we're doing right now. This thing got an entire tube up front. We braced the strut towers with this bar. Got some dimple dies. This front core support is completely removable. We got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and then down here, this support bracket on each side, and this whole thing will come out. And then the lower radiator support's super low, 4 bolts per FD's rulebook. The bar's at 10 degrees, which is the minimum length. We got our oil cooler and intercooler brackets, bumper brackets, headlight bucket brackets that will hold our lights. We cut the damage out to all the way to here. And I've also stitch welded this. We've plugged firewall holes. I don't know if I'm going to make a plate here or just leave this the way it is, because I don't know if I'm doing a wiring specialties harness or custom one. What else? I think that's pretty much it. The real stuff is like that. We'll stop here real quick. Anti-intrusion bar on the passenger side, because this car just never had one. I just had on my side. FD, you need to be separated from the fuel tank, and I no longer have an OEM one. So you can either do a firewall like this, and we copied James Dean and went straight to the hatch opening instead of like to the cage. And Luis just did amazing work. He threw this in, which I think is really cool. Some fuel cell mounts. See, these replacement pieces are bolted in, and if we get into the wall, they're just easily replaceable. This side's missing because he's making me spares, which is also really cool, is they're identical. So this side could also fit on this side. Not mounted totally yet, because I don't know how we're gonna support like the fiberglass portion, but these will be super flexible if we ever do get in the wall. It's really hard to like make this strong, but also soft enough where if we do get into the wall, it doesn't just smoke everything.
Yeah.
All right, let's unwrap this part. I think this is the shiniest, coolest part actually. Pretty much the best radiator you can get in drifting. We had to put it at a big angle because I didn't want the radiator to stick out of the glass. I haven't decided if we're gonna do a shroud or just put a bunch of holes in the window. As you see, when we just took off the quarter panel, the whole car is exposed, but half the car is missing. I cut pretty much from here to here off. I copied James Dean on his how he did it, because he had the super cool series on YouTube that he was doing a 180 of like perfect. This spar has like a quick release pin style. For 8 years, this car was exactly like that, like body wise, like front core support, rear bumper B, like super stock. Like this, 10 years into drifting, like I've got my first actual race car, I feel like. All right, we got a new Cybon hood to match the rear trunk.
Oh man.
That's what my car was missing. It's like a 1.8.5. Thanks to Cybon for hooking it up with the carbon fiber hood for this year. We're matching the rear, and I'm excited for this partnership.